Are you trying to find the best DJ headphones to make your music performances, or night parties more exciting and lively? Then we have you covered. There are many products available to choose from for DJ headphones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, One Audio Wired Over-Ear DJ Headphones. One Audio is a very popular name on our list of the best DJ headphones. The following DJ headphone is one of its most popular selections and may be ideal for you. Coming at the top, we have the One Audio Wired Over-Ear Headphones. These are quite bass-heavy DJ headphones, as they come with 50mm drivers that deliver powerful output. Still, you will be getting clear vocals and high notes from the headphones, which is not a bad deal. There are soft padded cushions over the earpieces of the One Audio Wired Over-Ear Headphones to make the device comfortable to wear as well as to cancel the noise. There is a 9.8-foot long coiled cord connected to this headphone, so connectivity is sorted for you. There are two options available for connectivity that are a 6.35mm plug and a standard 3.5mm plug. Both of these options are detachable, making the device even easier to use. Number 2, Mono 50mm Drivers Studio Headphones. Mono is another well-known brand name among DJ hobbyists, as it designs a variety of DJ-related devices. Along with DJ mixers and microphones, Mono manufactures DJ headphones. The Mono OMH601 is going to be a great upgrade over your current set of headphones, as these DJ headphones come with 50mm drivers. These drivers have a large aperture, which will certainly improve your listening experience. The Mono OMH601 offers exceptional audio quality with an extended sensitivity range of up to 116 dB and a highly accurate bass response. Unlike most other DJ headphones, the Mono OMH601 offers active noise cancellation. Thus, you are bound to get perfect noise cancellation and focus on the music that you are working on. The Mono OMH601 is also a unique choice, as these headphones come with a multifunctional design. The OMH601 has an additional headphone jack so that you can enjoy and share the experience with your friend or family member. Mono is also providing a 3.5mm and a 6.35mm adapter along with the headphones. This makes the headphones compatible with various devices, such as desktop computers, laptops, and DJ mixers. Number 3, Sennheiser Pro HD DJ Headphone. Sennheiser is a well-known name in the market for producing superb, audiophile-grade headphones. Sennheiser offers the following option that is ideal for DJs and music enthusiasts. The Sennheiser HD25 professional DJ headphones feature high sensitivity as the drivers have aluminum voice coils. This also helps to keep the overall weight of the device low compared to other options. Even though the drivers on the Sennheiser HD25 are compact, they are capable of delivering loud output and managing harsh sound pressure levels caused by low-end frequencies. As you might have noticed, these headphones are very compact and lightweight, which makes them ideal for portable usage. Also, it makes them comfortable to wear for a longer time. The cable on the Sennheiser HD25 is detachable and single-sided, so you can use the cable only when it is necessary. Both of the ear cups are rotatable, so you can use a single ear cup for audio monitoring without any problem. Number 4, Pioneer DJH DJ-X5 Professional DJ Headphones. Pioneer is another name that many of you may be aware of due to their extensive product line for the DJ industry. Pioneer's Pro DJ headphones may be ideal for use with the Pioneer DJ mixer set. Before anything, Pioneer promises outstanding sound quality, which is one of the deciding factors in a DJ headphone. The Pioneer HDJ-X5K headphones work with 40mm drivers that offer 102 dB sensitivity. These units are thoroughly tested during manufacturing so that you won't get a damaged unit by chance. Also, Each of these units will have a long lifespan, which is great. The Pioneer HDJ-X5K offers exceptional left and right separation via the 4-core twisted structure cable. The design of the Pioneer HDJ-X5K reduces pressure over your head to increase comfort as long as you wear them. It is quite easy to find replacement parts for the Pioneer HDJ-X5K, as Pioneer also sells detachable cables and ear pads for each of their headphones. In the package, you will find the headphones, a 1.2 meter long coiled cable, a 6.3 mm stereo plug adapter, and a carrying pouch. Number 5, Behringer HPX 2000 DJ Headphone. The Behringer HPX 6000 are high-definition DJ headphones that are designed to deliver truly phenomenal sound reproduction that will blow your mind with enhanced audio. It has high-grade components that provide great sound quality, as well as a comfortable design that will keep up with your busy lifestyle. The HPX 6000 employs high-performance 50 mm speakers with a broad frequency response and dynamic range, allowing you to hear every nuance of your music. The closed-back design provides exceptional noise isolation, allowing you to concentrate on your music even in noisy surroundings. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.